Hey, if you're watching this video, you are interested in crypto training for beginners, and I want to share something I stumbled upon just recently. It's called Uncensored Crypto, and it is a 9-part docuseries that talks about cryptocurrency and where it came from, but it also goes into what you need to do in order to purchase it, how to best purchase it, what to buy. It goes over a ton of history. It's a lot of different things. And as you can see here on this page, there are 56 industry insiders that are going to talk all about crypto and the things that you need to know. So if you're just getting started in crypto, this is a great place to start. Oftentimes people are interested in crypto, but they don't really know what to do. So they go to YouTube and they just start landing on random channels and start watching a video here, a video there, but really what they need is something that's way more comprehensive. So as you can see here, this is launching January 18th, 2022, but if you're watching this after that, you can still go ahead and get access because obviously it'll already be launched. I'm going to put the link at the top of the comment section and also in the video description so that you can click on it and see if it's a good fit for you. Also, I want to show you the quality of the content here. This is not something that was just done willy-nilly. These folks who put this together flew across the world. They put together really quality video content. It's entertaining. Obviously they're interviewing 56 different people who know a ton about crypto. So this is the place that you want to get started. You want to get your basics going here. As I said, 9 parts in this video series. It's kind of like Netflix, if you will, as opposed to just watching one 20-minute video on crypto and what some person thinks you need to do. Why not learn from the best people in the industry? So episode 1, the crypto revolution, it's going to give you a lot of the basics. So you have a foundation to understand from. Scrolling down here to video 2, it's beyond Bitcoin. The number 1 mistake that crypto investors make, you can see that right here. Number 3, the new internet, Web 3.0. Number 4, the everything revolution. What people have wrong about MTFs. Maybe you've heard about MTFs, but it's going to go into that. Episode 5, the rise of DeFi. You may or may not have heard what DeFi is, but it's decentralized finance is just basically what it is. Episode 6, the sovereign individual. Episode 7. So, as you can scroll down here and see when you click on the link, you're going to learn a lot about crypto, what to stay away from. You can see crypto scams, but what to do. So, if you're really new to this, you want to learn what you're supposed to do next, I would encourage you to check this out. Also wanted to scroll down here and you can see these are experts from across the industries. You've got everything from congressmen, founders of businesses. It just really runs the gamut, but all these different folks are going to be training you and teaching you on your next steps, what you should do, what you should not do. Again, this is called Uncensored Crypto, a 9-part video series. They give you free access. They release 1 video a day starting on the 18th, and then they're going to release the next video and the next video. And you'll get access. They send it via email or they can do it via text, whatever's better for you. But again, whether you're watching this before then or you're watching it afterwards, this is something that's going to really help you understand. It's going to give you the foundation, the basics that you need in order to move forward as you are getting involved in crypto. So if you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. Again, I'm going to put the link in the top of the comment section and in the description so that you can access this. But let me know your thoughts on it and wish you the best.